When you take out a loan, the monthly payments for that loan consist of 1 part principal and 1 part interest. In this video, we're going to see how you can determine when the threshold will be crossed when your payments start contributing more towards principal, or in other words, when they start consisting of a greater amount of principal than interest. To do this analysis, you will need a paid account. Go to the Tools drop-down in the top right and go to the Loan Planning dashboard. Go to the Amortization Schedule tab. For this example, we're going to leave everything as the defaults that you see here. Scroll down to the first graph, which shows the loan amortization schedule. This shows how the cumulative principal paid over time increases and how the cumulative interest paid over time increases compared to the principal balance of the loan. You can see that the principal balance of the loan is slowly decreasing. Notice that the cumulative interest paid increases, however, it increases faster than the principal at first and then gradually levels off. The principal, on the other hand, starts off more slowly and gradually starts ramping up towards the end of the repayment period. Scroll down to the next graph. For this loan, the monthly payment is $536.82. This graph shows how the composition of that payment changes over time. On the y-axis on the left-hand side, you can see the payment number, or the payment amount. The y-axis on the right-hand side shows how much of your payment is going towards principal in terms of percentage. The black line shows the 50% threshold. So when the payments cross this 50% threshold, that is the time when your payment will start consisting of more principal than interest. The x-axis shows the time since the start of the loan repayment. By hovering over this point in the graph, where the number crosses the 50% threshold, you can see that this will occur at roughly 17 years into the loan. So that is how you can figure out at what time your monthly payments will start consisting of more principal than interest.